No, come back.
No, I'm fine.
We gotta put it back together so I can start recording again because mistakes happened. Oh no. Yeah, I forgot to start recording when we started doing this because I was just kind of excited. But finally doing work to the long forgotten Subaru. Got a set of new headlights, I'll show you in a few. But right now we're simplifying the car for Operation Simplify, which started mid last year probably, and we're just getting back to it. We pulled my built headlights, we're pulling the whole harness and everything off, and that's gonna go to a good buddy and sponsored car. In return, he got me those. So we're just tracing down wires that fucking 3 years ago, Steven buried between the intercooler and yeah. Dude, this fucking harness, oh my God, let me do this. Bro, that thing is, stand next to it, with it touching the ground, it is almost as tall as you.
Yeah, and portions of it are like doubled over on itself and zip tied up. So.
Oh my God. All of this shit for those headlights. Sorry, Chris, you have your work cut out, man. And then we got those, all of this, and that was holding it in. And there's still some more shit in this car too. Oh, well, now I'm gonna reassemble all that. And you said there's more shit on your side?
I don't think so. If you got the one that ran all the way underneath. And then that's for your...
I got the ballast out.
That's for your fog light DRLs, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this is all headlight then, right?
That's like turn signal.
Are the new headlights just clipping into these?
I think so. That's what I'm gonna do is open those, and then I'm gonna see if the harnesses on the backs of these need to come off or not. I don't think they will. I think the new ones will come with it, but...
I don't know. Let's get those open then.
It's finished with our little dinner break thing. And we're back at it. This time, all the stupid shit is out of the way. The moment's here, Josh.
The moment's here.
Let's send it. Yo, that looks sick already. It's gonna be weird seeing that orange side marker again. Oh my God, those look good. Yo.
Those are sick.
Oh, side by
I
side.
the camera will be able to see it very well out here.
Oh yeah, it can.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, it's like the same thing.
It's like the same.
Yup. All right, let's send it, dude.
Hell yeah.
Is there like instructions or anything? User manual. Let's see. Well, is that gonna work? The car's too wide.
You can push it back some.
Push the car back? Okay, fuck it.
Bring the whole thing into the picture.
All right, a little updatey. So this wire and this wire coming off of this little harness that goes into the headlight. We'll plug in, the yellow will plug into here, the red obviously to the red, and then your primary headlight harness. And then I just pretty much followed it down under the car instead of running the harness like I did through here, which is honestly a terrible idea. A lot more clean. There's not floating fucking rat's nest over here now. Josh is working on this side, which is actually the harder side because there's a lot more wires over here. But it still looks pretty clean, despite how many wires are over here. Not easy.
Not easy.
What the hell is that?
No, it's for this. It's a guide.
No.
Oh.
Why? They're just hanging out in there.
I told you, man.
They're everywhere.
They're everywhere.
They breed like bunnies.
You have one S13 in a household and suddenly everything has zip tie.
Listen, man. I don't even know what I'm doing. so different.
I like the squared off look more.
You like it better?
Yeah, I like it better.
Dude, that completely changes the look of this.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
I like it.
Ready? Okay.
Yep.
DRLs, I guess? Good?
Yep, both good.
That's a change of pace compared to most of the headlights that went in
Right.
this car. Most of the headlights that went in here were up. It's always like, all right, let's test it. Oh, no, not the driver's side.
Yeah.
Have to fucking spend the next hour figuring out what you did wrong. Dude, those are so bright. It's like fucking with the camera. Anyway, sorry I didn't update you again. We just finished. Headlights are on. Moving the cars back in. So we're wrapping up for the night. 10 out of 10 I recommend. Josh recommends, so. Do you recommend?
I recommend.
10 out of 10. Super easy install. They look fucking amazing, so. Yep, that's it. I'm just toning by. See ya.
Baby, are you listening? I just wish things were different. Went and bought you a brand new chain. Now your neck is glistening. Let's get crazy. Half a zenny, now you taking off your panties. You putting on a show, you need a Grammy. You love the way you pick it up like a nanny. You be killing me, nah. See you in them jeans, I'ma overheat. Sunscreen ain't gon' fix this shit. You hot like an oven, I'ma need 2 minutes. Why you in my dreams? Nah. You play them like movie. You bad and you bougie like the devil wears Prada. You always say you love me, never said it to him.